Hey guys, welcome to the Green Cupcake. I'm Charmaine. So I just wanted to welcome you to my little corner of YouTube. On this channel, I want to focus on DIY recipes. I'm so passionate about health and fitness. I went to school for it, and I've of course done every fad diet, and none of them have worked, so I'm trying to make a lifestyle change for myself. So stay tuned for that journey. But the DIY recipes is something that I'm so excited about. I definitely want to transform recipes that were traditional and make them a little bit healthier, hence the green cupcake. Let's make a healthy cupcake so like we don't feel deprived. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And then of course lifestyle, beauty. I'm obsessed with products, but I've become a little bit more concerned with the ingredients that go into it, so I want to make more of an effort to expand my products. As you'll see behind me, I have tons, and make them a little bit more health conscious. So stay tuned for that. Welcome to the Green Cupcake journey. I'm so excited. I'm probably gonna have a little bit of everything to start out, so please be kind. I just want to spread a little bit of joy to you guys. There's nothing that I want to limit on this channel. I just want it to be light, joyful. This year alone, I felt the most joy in my life, and that's amazing to me. So I just want to spread my joy, my light to you guys. So I hope you receive it. Thanks for joining me. I can't wait to do my first like sit in front of the camera video. This was cringeworthy, I know, but thanks for watching.